Hey guys, we're doing the teams now for the Upper Deck Optic break. It's 8:04, 10 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, dice roll. We're going 10 times. Who wants to roll? What's going on? Copy it just in case. Seems to be glitching out. Start again. Going 10 times. What's going on? What if I did the teams one? 9 times. What the hell? Dice roll. Stupid, gone 10 times. Why isn't it working? What that one is. Okay, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's stupid. And we've already done the first one of that, second, third, fifth, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then complete, and the teams are Thomas Oliver, Pacers; Climates, Blazers; Hungus, Hornets; George Cahill, Mavericks; Harrison, Pistons; Alot, Bulls; Simi Osmond, Warriors; Albie, Celtics; John Wells, Nets; Mr. Holland, Nuggets; Shane Scott, Jazz; Scotty Rhodes, Knicks; Bestwick, Clippers; Holland, Bulls; Shane Bradfield, Grizz; Simi Osmond, Suns; Matt Smith, Thunder; Ruben with the Cavs; Daniel Thorpe, Rockets; Drybell, Bucks; Zach O'Toole, Magic; Ash Peters, Spurs; Jeff with the Hawks; Earl with the Pelicans; Scotty Rhodes, Kings; Andrew Hunt, Heat; Nick Watson, Wizards; Ryan Elworthy, Raptors; Scotty Rhodes, Lakers; and Johnny Deegan, the Sixers. And that is the teams. Break will start at 8:30 p.m. Melbourne time.